Hmm? Oh shit, you know what that means. It's time for another knife review. The TAC FORCE. Let's see, TAC FORCE 809 stainless steel USA design, but down there it says China, so it was made in China. What a big surprise for my channel. Some crap fucking knife from China. Now I got this one on Amazon. It's like, I like it. You know, I've been talking about the wood inlays lately. Pocket clip is okay. This knife right here, assisted opening. Glass breaker. Seatbelt cutter. Cut you out of a seatbelt. I wonder how sharp that is, honestly. I might do a video where I try to actually cut a seatbelt. It's got the, you know, the black on silver, which I really like aesthetically. Tactical TF 809 stainless steel USA design. Now I got this on Amazon. Okay, it's a decent size. Feels good in the hand. I would EDC this, because if I ever get like somebody up in my face, it's be like jukes, jukes, jukes. No, I'm just kidding. But I probably would. The wood inlay has like a rosy, almost reddish tint to it. It has a thumb stud, but has, like, I tried this the other day. You could deploy it with the flipper, right? Well, with the thumb stud, it's like absolutely painful. I don't even think it's possible, quite honestly. But it comes out like a motherfucker when you hit the flipper. That's great. Actually, let me get to the dimensions. So it's about 3 1/4 inches for the blade, but the total length is about 8 inches. This guy right here, my daughter loves this toy. I'm just gonna add that in. This knife is alright. Let's take a little look-see on Amazon. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, I don't even have it pulled up. We'll cut this out for time, but I'm gonna go back. Alright, here's the knife on Amazon. TAC FORCE vintage wooden handle pocket hunting tactical hunting handy knife original. That's a lot of words there. It's a little word salad. A couple of pictures of what the website offers. You know, as far as pictures go. But I don't know. Should we scroll down and see what the fuck they say? Here we go. Here's a review from Clinton Tanner. The knife itself looks really nice in the pictures, but that's all. It just looks nice. The handle looks like it is made out of wood, but it's made out of plastic. One of the cheapest feeling knives I've ever bought. When first opening the knife, the safety latch didn't go into place until I pushed it there. The knife is cheaply made and can't even be trusted not to fold back and cut your hand when applying the lightest pressure. There's no safety on this knife. What is he talking about? What's the safety? The fuck? The safety? Is he talking about like the liner lock? Let's see. I'm gonna put a lot of pressure on this, and if it gives, it's gonna slice my fucking finger. Fuck. Well, I tried. I thought this was wood. Apparently, it's plastic. I don't know. But I like the contrast on the blade. I like the assisted opening. Seatbelt cutter, sure, and glass breaker. Thank you very much, and God bless America.